जो फिल्म है द कश्मीर फाइल्स, इसने एक वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाया है पहली बार विश्व के इतिहास में।
मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं किसी चीज में वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तोड़ूंगी, लेकिन मैंने तोड़ दिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनते देखना अपने आंखों के सामने बड़ी बात है, वो भी जलेबी का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड।
मेरी कंपनी कैरबे वाटर एंड सोडा ने इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड में अपना नाम दर्ज कर लिया है।
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड की हैट्रिक बना के अपना नाम इंटरनेशनल बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स दर्ज करवा जा रही है।
नमः पार्वती पते, हर हर महादेव। जय हिंद एंड नमस्ते टू एवरीवन। आई एम नागेश श्रीवास्तव, फादर ऑफ युवान नागेश श्रीवास्तव.
And I am Janvi Gautam, mother of Yuvan Nagesh Shrivastava. My son Yuvan is in class 2 and he's just 6 years old. When he was 5 years old, he learned the periodic table, all the 118 elements of periodic table. And recently, he just broke a world record. He recited the 118 elements of periodic table fastest, and he's the youngest one to do so. He recited the periodic table in sequential order and reverse order at the same time. And we are very much thankful to International Book of World Records for recognizing and his talent and his achievement.
Our son has done a remarkable job. He has done across India and as well as on the global stage as well. I sincerely thanks International Book of Record for recognizing our child talent, and thank you so much everyone who is watching this. We need your blessings to him for his bright future. Thank you everyone.
Hello Yuvan.
Hello.
So are you ready for the periodic table recitation?
Yes, first forwards, then backwards.
Yes. So shall we start with the forward?
Yes.
That is the sequential order.
Yes, that's
Okay.
the sequential order.
So 1, 2, 3, start.
Hydrogen, helium, lithium, magnesium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, radium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, cadmium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, radium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, mercury, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin, antimony, titanium, iodine, xenon, cesium, barium, lanthanum, cerium, praseodymium, nodium, propionium, strontium, niobium, gadolinium, deuterium, strontium, holmium, erbium, thorium, ytterbium, lutetium, hafnium, tellurium, titanium, osmium, iridium, platinum, coal, mercury, ethylene, lead, plutonium, acetylene, boron, strontium, neon, actinium, thorium, plutonium, radium, thorium, plutonium, americium, curium, percanium, californium, isinium, phosmium, magnesium, nobelium, laurentium, sodium, toctin, siborium, borium, hazepiterium, domstradium, ruthenium, copernicium, nihonium, flavorium, moscovium, livermorium, tritium, organism. Now reverse. Organism, trisine, vermorium, moscovium, ferrumium, nihonium, copernicium, ruthenium, domstradium, deuterium, hazium, borium, siborium, toctin, siborium, laurentium, nobelium, mendelevium, fermium, isinium, californium, mercurium, curium, americium, plutonium, neptunium, uranium, protactinium, thorium, actinium, radium, francium, radon, acetylene, polonium, bismuth, lead, thallium, mercury, gold, platinum, iridium, osmium, rhenium, tungsten, titanium, hafnium, lutetium, yttrium, thorium, erbium, holmium, dysprosium, terbium, gadolinium, europium, samarium, promethium, niobium, praseodymium, cerium, lanthanum, barium, cesium, xenon, iodine, tellurium, antimony, indium, cadmium, silver, palladium, rhodium, ruthenium, technetium, molybdenum, niobium, zirconium, yttrium, strontium, rubidium, krypton, bromine, selenium, arsenic, germanium, gallium, zinc, copper, nickel, cobalt, iron, manganese, chromium, radium, titanium, scandium, calcium, potassium, argon, chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus, silicon, aluminum, magnesium, sodium, neon, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, boron, beryllium, lithium, helium, hydrogen. Stop.